Hi, I'm Lisa, and if there's one thing you need to know about me is that I love to travel, mostly to historic places, great landmarks, and any place where I can enjoy a good glass of wine. For the past 5 years, me and my friends have had this pact of doing a summer trip together to exotic destinations. But here's the problem. Our friend circle, like any other group, has very diverse interests, and it's always difficult to find the next big destination. Let me show you our problem. This is how we've planned all our trips in the past. So we create a WhatsApp group and everyone starts pitching in their ideas. As you can see, everyone is suggesting different locations they want to go to. Rekha seems to be interested in beaches, so she sends us a really nice picture of a beach. Obviously, that looks great. And then Susan suggests we do some adventure sports, probably Denver and Colorado. And Rekha seems sad as she wants to go to the beach. Because everyone has such diverse interests, the chat quickly descends into chaos. Oh, we're such a pickle. This is when we found an Android app called Pickle. Pickle helped us find our next destination for the entire group. And the best part was how easy it was to use the app. It used our Instagram vacation photos to intelligently identify a destination that suited all our interests. All I needed to do was create a brand new group ID called MyVacay and send it to the group. Are you guys curious what destination Pickle helped us decide on? Let's walk through the process. Like we saw in the WhatsApp chat, Rekha loves beaches. Her Instagram feed is filled with lovely beach photos. Rekha used the group ID to log in to Pickle using Instagram. Pickle automatically ranks destinations and provides pictures for these destinations that closely match her feed. And here, clearly Honolulu matches Rekha's profile. All the pictures over here match Rekha's preferences. Susan, on the other hand, is an outdoorsy person who loves mountains and hiking and loves to travel to exotic destinations. She uses the same group ID, MyVacay, to enter the group. She logs in with Instagram, and now Pickle will re-rank these destinations based on both the profiles and pick destinations matching both the profiles. All these destinations have both mountains and water bodies. This seems to satisfy both their preferences. Because Susan has multiple options in terms of destinations, she can rank her preferences using the stars. And finally, Emily, who's a lot like me, a city dweller who loves wine and architecture. While Emily logs into the app, let's recall the top destinations predicted for this group. They were Anchorage, Seattle, and Salt Lake City, which had a lot of mountains and water bodies. A key thing to note as Emily logs into the app, Pickle re-ranks the destinations and a city is thrown into the mix. This covers everyone's preferences. Now Emily scrolls through her feed and ranks her favorite destinations. Once the group decides on a location, it's as simple as clicking on the United logo under the destination, taking us to the booking page. Woohoo! This was simple.
Hey, hi, my name is Gopinath. I'm one of the developers for Pickle. The two key takeaways that I would give for anyone watching this video is one, that every single model that we generally develop for a group is custom. And two, the destination feed that every single person gets for their destination on their app is actually built to mimic their Instagram feed. So how did we build Pickle? So it contains three key parts. The first one is the Android app, which we've all seen before. The second part is the model setup and then identifying and ranking decisions. Let's just first look at the model setup. We identified the key destinations from United and we went into Flickr to identify very high quality, high resolution images for all these destinations. We then sent all these destinations to Clarify, and we got the key concepts using the general and the travel models from Clarify. All the results that was obtained from Clarify was stored in a database. The database was then used to create the test and training data set, which was finally used to build a decision tree classifier using the sklearn model. The entire application was built on Amazon's web services, and we used a bottle server to manage all the interactions between the app and the server. The key thing to note is that the app is every single time a new Instagram image comes in from the app, all these images are then sent to Clarify for classification and then evaluated using the decision tree classifiers. Finally, what is the future of Pickle? We hope to add multiple more destinations and add a lot more images from Flickr and other data sources. One more thing that we would definitely like to do is to make sure that we add dislikes, because we want to make sure some concepts do not become part of the model and hence do not affect the overall ranking. A chat and ranking feature within the app would definitely be something that we would like to add. Finally, what would be the business model for the entire thing? We believe that many companies would really be interested in developing their own custom model, and this is really powerful because this would help them. This would help users identify destinations within their portfolio. Also, we would like to partner with airline companies to provide a brand new UI of how people can identify great destinations within the given airlines.